Hello, everybody, and welcome back. So, today we will start with page number 169 of the social book class 9 standard as per the new syllabus 2026-27. पर इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले आई वॉन्ट टू टेक आउट 2 minutes एंड एक्सप्रेस माई थैंक यू टू एवरीबडी फॉर सो मच लव एंड एप्रिसिएशन. सो आई फील ट्रूली ब्लेस्ड. मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई, बहुत अच्छा लगा टू गेट सच ब्यूटिफुल कमेंट्स एंड रिमार्क एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स फ्रॉम द पीपल अराउंड. थैंक यू so much. Your appreciation really means a lot. So let's quickly first revise what we have done in the last video. In the last video, we have understood what is the meaning of scarcity, what is the meaning of resource, what is the meaning of choice, and what is the meaning of wants, desires, and demand. So why do we have scarcity? Scarcity basically happens because always the wants are unlimited and the resources or the things to satisfy them are always limited in quantity. So because of the imbalance between the unlimited wants and limited resources, we always feel a shortage, and this shortage is only known as scarcity. तो जब हम scarcity बोलते हैं, scarcity never means that the resource is completely unavailable. It means we have something but we have a shortage of it. In today's video, page number 169, we'll understand, it's very simple page, we'll understand only the examples which are related to scarcity. तो इस पेज में हमें समझ में आएंगे everyday example of scarcity. The only question from this particular page can be give everyday example of scarcity or list few example to illustrate the imbalance between the unlimited wants and limited resources. Or taking one example, they can give question as by taking the example of students management, illustrate how scarcity exists, or taking the example of production decision, explain how scarcity exists in the economy. So even such questions can be asked. So we start with the first example, students' time management. So especially before the examination, what happens that a child feels that the time is very less. So we have only 24 hours in one day, and in that 24 hours a child has to manage and prepare for all the subjects and everything all together. So time, that is resource, is limited, but with that limited time we have n number of tasks and activity that a person has to fulfill, a person has to do. The second point is household budgeting. So a person has more or less same amount of monthly salary, monthly income. अगर आपका business भी है तो उसमें कोई इतनी fluctuating income तो होती नहीं है. So with that limited income, a person has to spend money on n number of activities and things. The person has to buy grocery, pay the fees of the school, pay for transportation, electricity, rent, and all other expenses. So with the limited income, the desires and wants are unlimited. So पैसे के केस में भी हम सबको scarcity feel होती है. The next point is water scarcity. So especially during summer season, we feel a lot of water scarcity. Water is a resource that is very much finite and fixed in nature, but पानी का use बहुत बढ़ जाता है summer season में. So there too we feel shortage or we feel scarcity. We start with the next point, that is production decision. Production decision means what to produce and what not to produce. Here they have taken the example of a farmer. A farmer has only limited land. अब वो ज़मीन में वो vegetable भी उगा सकता है, वो wheat भी उगा सकता है. He can cultivate any other thing also. So land, which is a resource, is fixed. It is finite, but then that resource can be utilized for n number of wants and desires to be fulfilled. We can use the same land for growing wheat. We can use the same land for growing vegetable. It can be used for different tasks and activity. So land is limited, resources are limited, but it can be utilized for n number of things, that is wants are unlimited. So here too, in the case of resources such as land, and while doing the production of anything, we feel scarcity or shortage. So the last point is government spending. The government too finds it difficult to manage everything with the limited fund, because they too have to spend money for n number of tasks and activity. They have to pay money for health, education, law and order, for infrastructure, for certain welfare scheme for the population. So with the limited fund, they too have to manage and take care of the whole country. So there too we have scarcity or shortage.